Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Dang. It's cracking.
Dude, it's cracking. Look right here. Look right there.
Oh my god. I mean,
so one of my alternators shit on me.
Oh,
I'm
man.
running on one alternator right now. Dude.
Really? Oh,
yeah. Yeah, it's never drop voltage ever. I know. I haven't even checked it, but I know my alternator shit on me.
yeah, dang.
It's alright.
That's wild. Yes,
What's
sir.
up?
What's your name and what's in here, man?
GL Woodard, and it's 6 DSS 18 Savages on AK a piece. AMD AK a piece. Yep.
This is a big
wired,
box.
wired in one ohm. Yep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna shrink this port, and I'm gonna make my lows nastier by next year.
It's really punchy on the high end, but how low are you playing before with a port like this? About 28, 30, or?
Yeah, I mean 25 it starts to drop off.
Okay.
But I want to play in the 20, like 20, 22
Yes,
next
sir.
year.
Okay.
So I'm gonna thicken this up a little bit and shorten it up.
Yes, sir.
And
Nice.
next year we'll be moving some air, hopefully.
Okay.
It up to about 90% of clipping point.
Yep. That's the best way to do it. You don't have to worry about clipping then, yeah.
Yeah. I wish I had both alts, man.
Even with one alt, he's doing good, dude. He's doing good.
It's still like crushing my voltage.
Yeah. Dropping the high 14s is not bad.
It never, dude, with the other alts, it never.
You were used to 15s. Oh, yeah.
15-4.
Team F. Okay.
Yeah, Team FOFA, man.
FOFA,
Forbidden
yes, sir.
Fabrications.
Okay. Very
Absolutely.
nice. Wow. I noticed you've got some knob room in this build.
Say what?
You have some knob room. How much you can
Absolutely.
play with. And I appreciate it. I'm gonna go look at the amps in the back.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, good to see you again.
Thanks for coming by.
You're welcome.
I think my voltage regulator is I'm cutting up a little bit because it's not turned up. I don't think.
Smoking Zoro, murder ain't pulled up in the dirty drink, ain't skipping with she wanna her, she be like you sending me lingo in my wordplay. All the niggas get it in, rippers in my wordplay. Killers come through with their end, they show top like her spring. Doing men the worst way, these niggas been riding for them, they just got shirts made. Once I cut you, I don't want you back, man, jealous, oh. You my biggest hater, that's a fact. I ain't never fall. You know I can't sell no pussy ring. I'm gon' wipe it low, big bikini, I mean, I
Let's get it. I can only play highs, honestly.
This is DJ Master Tools.
Man.
Love won't pay that. No. In the city. Before you take that, trying to do. When you know that, bitches. I'ma blow that. That is. Smoking some. Dirty drink, ain't sipping with. Just think she hollering. On her, she be like.
Just telling you what the show is like. Come on, I'm trying to get on the star. I ain't trying to be. She know what a stage be. She pay for the place.
Smoking some. Dirty drink, ain't sipping with. Just think she hollering. On her, she be like. Trying to do. When you know that, bitches. And I'ma blow that. Did it. Smoking some. Dirty drink, ain't sipping with. Just think she hollering. On her, she be like. Love won't pay that. In the city. Before you take that, trying to do. When you know that, bitches. And I'ma blow that. That is. Smoking some. Dirty drink, ain't sipping with. Just think she hollering. On her, she be like.
I wish I had both alts, man.
Even with one alt, he's doing good, dude. He's doing good.
It's still like crushing my voltage.
Yeah. Dropping the high 14s is not bad.
It never, dude, with the other alts, it never.
You were used to 15, so yeah.
15 full. I got to about 90% of clipping point.
Yep, that's the best way to do it. You don't have to worry about clipping then, yeah.
Yeah, I got to figure out my alternator, but as soon as I get that back right, next year, it's going to be on.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you. You're on Team F. Okay.
Yeah, Team FOFA, man.
FOFA,
Forbidden
yes, sir.
Fabrications.
Okay, very
Absolutely.
nice. Wow. I noticed you've got some knob room in this build.
Say what?
You have some knob room. How much you can play with and